Hi, my name is Nori. I'm from Srinagar. I'm 24 years old. Let me tell you about My Kashmir. SMS service might be a basic necessity for you, and sending text message might be something you take for granted, but I crave it.
मुंबई में इतने बड़े धमाके हुए लेकिन उनके लिए कभी बंद नहीं किया गया है, SMS बंद कर लिए।
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब
हमारे साथ पहले से गवर्नमेंट यही करती आ रही है।
आप पे क्या असर हुआ, हम पे क्या असर हुआ?
बहुत सी दिक्कत हो गई क्योंकि SMS बहुत अच्छे थे, SMS किसी को भी भेज सकते थे, आसान होता था SMS भेजने के लिए, फोन नहीं करते थे कभी, SMS के लिए पैसा रहता था मोबाइल में, SMS
हम गवर्नमेंट से यही कहना चाहते हैं हमारी SMS सर्विस खोल दीजिए ताकि हम अपना दिल के राज शेयर कर सकें। जब तक आपको पूरी की पूरी फ्रीडम नहीं मिलेगी तब तक आप डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में नहीं रहते।
Mobile service started in Kashmir in 2006, and during these 5 years, prepaid service were completely banned for almost 3 months. And it has been a year since I have sent a text message from my mobile.
I'm Tawqir Hussain, 27 years old. I'm from Duru Shabad, a place in South Kashmir. I'm a regular user of these social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, because these sites help us to communicate with the rest of the world. But in Kashmir, we can't communicate freely as the rest of the world did, because these things in Kashmir can land us into trouble. As during past years, we have witnessed the uprising in Kashmir, and the Facebook status had made people to get booked under Public Safety Act. So right now we only use posters like developmental or jokes, anything, because if we will post anything regarding political situations in Kashmir on our website, we will be either booked or we will be lodged in the jails. In Kashmir, we witnessed Shakil Bakshi's arrest under Public Safety Act. Shakil Bakshi's arrest under Public Safety Act for posting a comment on the Facebook, and so many other youths who are in jails right now for their comments on the Facebook. These all things made us to realize that we should no longer post the political situation in Kashmir on our Facebook wall posters.
My name is Yasif Malla and I am from Awantipura, Kashmir. I live at a place where I am not able to find what's happening in my locality because my local channels here which are operating in Kashmir are banned here.
बोलिए कि जब लोकल चैनल्स लगी क्या आपको उससे पहले नोटिस मिली थी कि
ऐसा को तो कुछ आ गया था, एक बार तो हमें आ गया था कि आप
नोटिस आपको पहले मिली थी?
वो नोट्स नहीं मिलती, हमें बोला गया था कि आप खाली 5 मिनट या 15 मिनट 5 मिनट ऐसे 15 मिनट आप 5 मिनट न्यूज़ खाली चलाओ। जब ऐसे हालात होंगे क्रिएट होंगे कि हम सब कुछ दिखा रहे थे, जो कुछ हो रहा था हम सच प्योरनेस दिखा रहे थे, तो इससे क्या हो गया, उनको प्रॉब्लम होगी। तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं हमें नहीं ऐसा कुछ करना है, इनको बंद कर दो।
कर रहा हूँ रिलेटेड टूरिस्ट का सीज़न है, तो मैं नाम नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं एक डायरेक्टर के पास गया था, तो मैंने उनको एक्सप्लेन करा कि प्रोग्राम की थीम क्या है, थॉट क्या है, तो उन्होंने फिर जाकर बोला कि आप डीसी साहब से लिखवा कर लेंगे। मैंने उनको कहा कि कोई पॉलिटिकल नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं हो रहा, ये जस्ट फॉर पोस्टिंग ऑफ द स्टिल उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, परमिशन नहीं दी जाएगी।
The telecast of news on local cable channels was banned last year. The state administration said that those cable operators were violating the Cable Network Act by giving wide coverage to the whole protesters. But the irony is that why only in Kashmir local channels were banned? Why not in Jammu? It is a total injustice to the people of Kashmir, the people associated with these local channels, directly or indirectly. It's the injustice with the viewers. It is injustice with, I guess it's injustice with me, because I was the regular viewer of those channels. Now those channels have been banned, so I can't do anything about that. And the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Omar Abdullah, made it clear that he is not going to revoke ban on these cable networks.
70% of Kashmiris like me use prepaid connections, and hundreds of thousands of Kashmiris like me can't send messages.
People like Shakil Bakshi and Qazi Yasir are still behind bars for their Facebook status. Today, it forces me to think twice before writing what is on my mind on Facebook.
My Kashmir is a place where there is no freedom of press. I live in a vacuum where if anything happens to me, the rest of the community will not able to know what's going on. The rest of the world media acts as a watchdog, but in my Kashmir, that watchdog has been put to sleep.